Hello everyone, I am Jenny Axler, and I am thrilled today to get to introduce to you a new series of videos on a brand new product that we're launching here at CSUN 2024. We're actually coming to you live from there, where we have launched a new product called the Braille eMotion. This is a 40-cell Braille display with many other functions, and we're going to start this series with an unboxing of the product. So I have the box in front of me. We start with our outer shipping box, and we're just gonna go ahead and open that. So it opens vertically, and there's a handle on the inner box, so you can just lift it out. I'm just gonna set that off to the side. This one, again, we've got a little notch that you've got to pull out, and we're gonna open it, and I'll turn it. So this is what you have. On the very top, you're going to find a Braille quick start guide. It's in a Ziploc bag, as we often do. So we'll just take that out real fast. It's just a bound half-page Braille guide, and this is going to get you started with your basic operations, help you get it turned on, give you a physical orientation, etc. Then we have the device itself, which does come in its case. And this is just a basic folio case, so I can just flip it up and fold it under like this, and you can see the product. This is the Braille eMotion 40. It's a very slim and sleek little Braille display. Again, it's just maybe 3 inches from front to back, maybe a little over 11 inches wide. It's not very heavy. Again, we will do future videos where we'll give you a complete physical tour of the device, but for now, this is the Braille eMotion. Let's see what else we have in the box here. We also then have several little bags. So we have this cable, and again, I'll take it out of the Ziploc, perhaps. So this is going to be your USB-C cable. And we'll set that off to the side. Then, well, we have a bunch of little ends, little international chargers. Here's one example, which means we must have an AC adapter in here somewhere. Yes, right there. We will attach that momentarily. The final thing that we've got here is the carry strap. So this actually just goes on the carrying case. I'm going to get the box out of the way, as this is all that is in the box, and we'll show you how to attach the lanyard because it's slightly different. So the places where you attach the carry strap are actually on the side. They're these little sort of material notches. So you're going to attach it here, and you're going to get the little loop of the D-ring here through that hole. So that's how you do that. And the final thing that we'll do here is to actually get the AC adapter ready for use. Again, I've got bags and things in the way. So I'm just going to grab an end, and it happens to be the United States end. So you've got this little area where you're going to slide this on, and you're going to line this up with that. So we're just gonna, line it up and slide it on, and it is that simple. Now, as I mentioned, we will give you a complete tour of the functions later, but I will show you how to get yourself powered on. So at the top right of the top face, there is sort of a rounded square button. It's rather large, as I think it's the largest button on the device. And you're going to press and hold that to power it on. And after a couple of seconds, you'll get a vibration, and then it's going to say starting Braille eMotion on the Braille display. Then you will start seeing progress indicators as we boot here. And it does take a few seconds to power up. I think it's probably close to 30, thus the reason I'm continuing to ramble here. When it boots up, you will get the boot up sound, and the quick start guide will come up. Here we go.
Introduction. Welcome to the Braille eMotion Getting Started Guide. This guide will introduce you to the Braille eMotion, provide general information on basic functions, and help you set your user preferences for the unit. You can exit this guide at any time by pressing space with E. Press the Enter key to the right of dot 6 to move to the next step. You can activate the quick guide at any time from the settings menu.
So there you have it. From here, you can use this quick guide to get further orientation to your unit, or if you do that with the Braille quick guide, you may choose to skip this, and it lets you know how to do this, lets you know how to access the quick guide later, so you're able to get going from here. As I said, we will continue to make other videos in this series on the Braille eMotion, and we'll go through the various standalone features that this device has, as well as connecting with various screen readers, etc. So please stay tuned for that. For now, we are extremely excited to bring this product to you. Thanks for watching. For more information about any of our HIMSS products, you can visit our website at www.himsintl.com or send us an email at hims@selvishc.com. Thanks for watching.